Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. If you're watching this, I want to show you how to make a DIY aerator. All I did was grab some lumber I had around the house. This is a 1x6 and put some screws in about every 2 inches. These are some old deck screws I had that I just had laying around, and I'm going to put a 2x4 on top of that, and I'll show you the next step. So you can go ahead and put these in. They kind of come out the bottom a little bit, and that's what's going to go into the ground. But you can use any type of wood as well that you might just have laying around. So let's check out this next step. So for step 2 here, I just used an old 2x4, cut it about 12 inches, almost 12 inches long, put some holes in it where I'm going to put the rope, and then I'm going to go ahead and screw this on top of here so my foot can place there, and then put it in some screws so it's going to hold it together when I try and walk. So here is the last part. All you do is put the 2x4 right on top of there. Again, cut this one about 12 inches, this one's 16, and then just put a couple screws in there to hold it in. Put this string in there. Make sure you put that in there first, because now it's snug in there because the screws are holding it. But now you have some DIY aerator shoes. You can walk around your yard and try these out and see if they work. So let's check them out. Well, these turned out pretty good. They aerated this little area I've stepped off pretty well. I recommend these for a small area, but if you are getting anything larger than just a little small spot, you might need to do something else. But for the money and the time, you can't beat it. It only took a few minutes, also free, so great option for that. But if this video was helpful for you, if you could like and subscribe for more videos like this, I would greatly appreciate that. And if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comment section. Love to help you out, but I hope you have a great day, and we will check you in the next one.